Hey guys, good morning. So we got a big pullback in the market happening today. Dow futures are down about 350 points. Nasdaq's down about 200 points. S&P 500's down about 44 points. We got big news as coronavirus cases are surging across the world. USA and the UK are leading the resurgence. Countries are debating more national shutdowns. Trump's announcement that he's more for herd mentality or herd immunity, which is basically saying, let everyone get it and then you're immune to it, which doctors and researchers are saying would be the deadliest decision that we could make. Other big news that's pulling the markets back: China is telling its military to prepare for war as the USA agrees to sell weapons to Taiwan, which China considers their territory. Airlines are reporting billions in losses here. You can see airlines are continuing to pull back here. And also, we have movie theaters saying that they have enough cash for the end of the year. If attendance doesn't pick up, they're going to be closing their doors for good. Weekly jobless claims came out. We are at 898,000 versus 825,000 that were reported. Here's the daily newsletter. As you can see right here, stock futures are dropping as jobless claims jump over 50,000 higher from the previous week. And then this week over 73,000 higher than what was expected here. So continuing claims for October 2nd, 10.018 million versus 10.7 million estimated. Prior was 10.976 million. Also, there's news out that about 20 million Americans that have not paid their rent and are facing eviction once the eviction ban is lifted. The U.S., the White House says there's not going to be any stimulus package until after the election. And if Biden wins, there probably is not going to be a stimulus package until the end of January when he comes into office. Pandemic has caused over 150 million people worldwide to go into extreme poverty and have no access to basics like food and water. And that's why we're seeing the stock markets plunge here. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at some of our safe haven stocks. If you guys are a member of Breaking Chart Alerts, if you go to our education section here and go to lesson library, you'll see that we have a section here, safe haven stocks. This is the latest lesson that we've done. It's a great lesson for you guys to check it out and see what's going on there. That's really important. And take a look there, because during these volatile times, these are the types of stocks that we're going to be entering and looking into. So today, guys, what I'm expecting, we're coming down to that 10-day simple moving average. If we break below that, I'm going to be entering into some SPY puts. I'm probably either going to get the November 20th or the December monthly expo out, because we might be seeing a further breakdown here ahead of the election. We had a double top that we failed to break above here, going back to September 3rd and September 2nd. Failing to break above that. So if we do cross below that 10-day simple moving average, I'm going to be looking at some puts for longer term and exiting some of our longs there. So hope everyone has a great day. Make sure you're disciplined, patient, follow the trade plan, and stay small. Keep the trade small. Look for those safe haven stocks here ahead of the election, because we're only going to see more volatility ahead of the election coming up here. So have a great day, and I'll see you guys live shortly. Take care, guys. God bless, and stay safe.